In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Revit file version without opening the file. So to do this, you actually don't even have to use Revit, and you can just go and find your file inside your document. So I'm going to use my downloads folder over here where I have one Revit file. So you want to go and find it, and then you want to right click and you want to click on edit in Notepad. If you can't see this, you could also go and click on open with, click on choose another app, and then find Notepad, which should be available on pretty much every computer. So whenever you do this, it's going to open up this over here. So it's going to be just like a bunch of different weird symbols. Now it's going to take a few seconds, maybe even up to a few minutes if your models are huge. So for me, it was actually quite quick, but of course it could take a few seconds for this to actually load in here. Now from here, what you want to do is go and press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. And as you can see up top, it's going to find this kind of search box. And what you want to do here is type in the exact thing I'm going to type in right now. So type in format, but with spaces, so FOR, etc. Okay, just like this. And then you want to go and click on the search button over here, and then as you can see, it's going to find format and stuff like that. So keep on clicking this down arrow, and when you do that, eventually it's going to find a format, and then it's going to tell you exactly which file version that is. So for me here, it's 2026, as you can see, and then the build is over here as well. If for some reason you can't actually find format, if it's not available, look for build, okay, in this specific way over here. So build like this, and then just click on the down arrow over here, and it's going to find the build, and that's also going to tell you kind of the file version without even having to open the file up. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.